In a shop, lift safety is paramount. Lifts in a shop should be inspected at least once a year by a qualified lift inspector. It's not just a good idea, it's part of the ALI and ANSI safety standards designed to keep technicians and vehicles safe. And when it comes to annual inspections, there's only one backed by ALI to meet those standards: the Check 360 Certified Lift Inspection, performed exclusively by ALI certified lift inspectors to verify that your lift continues to operate safely long after it's installed. A Check 360 inspection starts before a single bolt is turned. Inspectors begin with the documentation. They also check that warning labels and capacity markings are visible and easy to read. Missing or damaged labels can cause a lift to fail inspection. Once the documentation is complete, the mechanical inspection begins, and it starts from the ground up. Anchors that secure the lift to the concrete are checked for proper torque and condition. If any bolt won't hold torque or shows corrosion, it's documented and must be corrected before the lift can return to service. From there, the inspector moves through key components, swing arms, adapters, safety restraints, checking for cracks, missing stops, or worn pads.
One of the most common things that we find in the industry, in the field, is that these stops are removed or broken or anything else. Oftentimes, a technician will actually take these screws out because they need that little bit more reach.
Next comes the heart of the system: cables, pulleys, and hydraulics. The inspector looks for frayed cables, leaks, and uneven tension. Proper tension keeps the lift level.
If they're adjusted too tight, they'll be like banjo strings and you won't be able to move them, and that's going to put additional wear on all the pivot points. And if they're too loose, you'd be able to squeeze them and touch them, and obviously that's not good either.
Electrical safety devices are verified too, including the overhead shutoff switch that prevents roof contact. If it's missing or wired incorrectly, that's an instant fail. Once the lift itself has been inspected, time to see it in action. The inspector observes the technician positioning the vehicle and setting the lift arms at the manufacturer's recommended contact points. Proper racking is critical. Every vehicle design has different lift points, and using the wrong ones can cause damage or imbalance. As the vehicle begins to rise, the inspector checks that each arm is secure and that swing arm restraints have engaged. The inspector verifies the lift holds firm without leak down, ensuring everything is balanced and safe for daily use. A Check 360 certified lift inspection doesn't certify the lift itself. It verifies whether the lift has been maintained in a reasonable and safe manner, if the safety documents provided by the manufacturer are available to the lift operator, and if any repairs are needed. After all systems are checked, the inspector performs a final function test. The lift must raise, lock, and lower smoothly, and it can't descend faster than 20 feet per minute.
Sometimes if people change power units or pumps on these lifts, they may not come with all the proper valving inside of them, and that ends up causing that speed to be much quicker. And while it may seem like it's an efficiency gain, it's really a safety issue.
When the lift passes, the instructor applies the serialized Check 360 Certified Lift Inspection label. Each label includes the inspector's individual ID number, month of inspection, and serial number matching the inspection report provided to the customer. If issues are found, the shop receives a corrective action report, a clear summary of what needs attention before re-inspection. Annual inspections protect technicians, keep shops compliant, and help lifts operate as safely as the day they were installed. To schedule an ALI Check 360 Certified Lift Inspection, contact an ALI Certified Lift Inspector near you.